We're going all Italian today on Amazing Kitchen. We'll be making a prosciutto thin crust pizza all from scratch. So it's all homemade, and if you like the sound of that, stay tuned and see how it's made. Let's go. Now to begin our prosciutto pizza, we'll need some bread flour. But if you don't have, you can use an all-purpose flour and that will do as well. So we'll start with 2 cups of flour. And we'll add it into your mixing bowl. Then to it, we'll add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then if you have sea salt, you add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. If not, regular salt will do. Then we have grounded garlic powder. We'll need 1 teaspoon of that as well. Then some dry basil leaves. So we'll need 1/2 teaspoon of this, and this will add a lot of flavor to our crust. Then to the whole batter, we'll add 3/4 cup of water. Then we'll mix everything up with a fork. So make sure you stir this gently so it wouldn't get everywhere. Now once it comes together like a paste, then you can use your hand to access this dough. Now once it's dried up enough, we'll just knead it for a couple minutes until everything is even distributed and is nice and stringy. Then we'll have some flour on your working surface. Then we'll just give it another 1 minute of kneading. Then we'll form it into a log. Then we can cut this into 2 pieces. Unless you have a huge oven, then you can bake the whole thing as one. So we'll cut this in 2, then flatten it with our hand. We can bring out our rolling pin. We'll add some flour to it, then we'll roll this out to the size of our pizza pan. So I have a 9-inch pizza pan here, but if you like, you can make them thinner or not as thin if you like. So spread this over the pizza pan. You can also add this to your pizza stone, but it's a little more difficult to handle because I don't have one of those commercial pizza scoops. Then to it, we'll cut 100 grams of mushroom. You can use portobello mushroom, shiitake, even button mushroom. The choice is yours. Then we have 1 red bell pepper. So I choose the red because it has a nice contrast with the rest of the mushroom and ingredients. So it gives it a nice beautiful look, but you can feel free to use the green or even the yellow. And we'll dice these up so that it's nice bite size so we can spread over our pizza. But of course, feel free to use any other toppings that you choose. Then we have 100 grams of prosciutto. This is high quality prosciutto, but if you like, you can replace it with Iberico ham as well. But feel free, I mean, the choice is yours. Then we'll preheat our oven at 220 degrees Celsius. Then on our dough, we sprinkle some garlic powder. Then we'll baste it with mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. This will add a nice salty flavor to the whole pizza. Then on top of the cheese, we'll spread the prosciutto ham. Put as much as you like. Then we'll put our chopped mushrooms and bell pepper over the top. Then finally, we'll spread another layer of cheese. We'll start with the Parmesan, then we'll finish it off with mozzarella. This will add that nice stringy chewiness to the pizza. Then we'll transfer to our preheated oven and bake this for 15 minutes. Watching it sizzle away is so satisfying to watch. So here we go. Bon appetit, enjoy the pizza, and if you like, spread some chili sauce over it to add another level of kick. Alright, that was the pizza, and that is the end of our episode, and I hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned and subscribe below if you haven't yet, and make sure you hit the bell button so you'll be notified on our future uploads. Alright, we'll see you again on our next episode. Bye now.